Welcome back! We are Arno and Linnea. We live full-time in a self-converted van traveling around Europe. This time we are exploring the northern coast of France and won't let the occasionally rainy weather harm our adventures. Enjoy! Peugeot, Renault, Peugeot, Peugeot, Renault. I love it.
Ouch, I hit my head. I'm totally having like serious regrets. I don't even know like what's wet and what's seawater. If you ever wonder how we I don't know. And that's how our whole trip to France went like. Hi!
Hello!
Welcome to France! You look like a devil, like
Oh, yeah,
two little horns. That's so cute.
It's from the cap.
Anyways, we left Belgium like a few days ago already. Been raining, huh?
Yeah. So we're leaving Belgium, heading to France.
France, the coastal of France, or the coast of France.
Northwest coast. It's gonna be lovely. Weather is gonna be bad, it's gonna rain, but I mean, we can have fun.
Yeah, but first, gas.
Diesel. No gas.
Oh yeah, diesel, whatever.
We were quite busy working, meeting family and friends, so I mean 10 days just flew past.
Making the driving day as comfy as possible by hoodies and sweatpants. Yay! Using the mask to check the oil. Yeah. Welcome to van life COVID times.
Welcome to Belgium, where a highway is also known as a parking lot. Drove about 10 minutes and we're already stuck in traffic. Nice.
Yeah, before I met Arno, I had been to Belgium once when I was like 12. And the only thing I remember of the country was standing in a traffic jam for I think like 2 hours with my parents and my brother. So yeah, the country, it really is known for many things, amongst all the traffic jams. So here we are.
Kilometer, and let's see if there's any border control here either. Bienvenue en France. No control here in France either. Border number 4.
Whoop! This is the border.
How to know when you're in France? Renault, Peugeot, Renault, Peugeot, Peugeot. Every car is French. Peugeot. Peugeot, Renault, Peugeot, Peugeot, Renault, Peugeot, Peugeot, Renault, Renault.
And that's how our whole trip to France went like. Better get off the French highways before they get costing.
Yeah, we're lucky taking the last exit before paying highways.
The highways in France can get quite costly.
Yeah, last time we paid more than 100 euros to cross it.
Yeah, it was quite expensive to drive even with a normal car like across France, and now we're going with even a bigger one. So better take the small roads. And made it to this super cute beach town where we stayed for 2 nights just working.
And now we arrived in an even cuter beach town, which we're gonna explore after we eat a piece of baguette.
Hello, baguette! Arna's gonna send the last of our work, and then I'm gonna show you a little bit of the place we parked on. It's a big grass yard right next to the ocean. You can't see it, but there's supposed to be some cliffs. We have no idea because we've not been there. But anyway, yeah. Show you more after the lunch break. Ready?
Yeah, let's go see the coast.
Now we're walking back to the van.
It's a hill.
We ended up quite spontaneously renting a kayak for tomorrow. So that's what we'll be doing.
Let's see how it goes.
Oh, and hey, what are we gonna do before kayaking?
I'm gonna go on a 4 or 5 hour walk tomorrow around the neighborhood.
Yeah.
Supposed to be very pretty and a lot of nature, so we'll see.
Yeah. Honey. Tell us about the bunkers we found.
Yeah, so there's authentic World War II bunkers around here, coast of Normandy, and it was quite cool. It was kept original. You could just walk inside and see freely. Quite a cool sight.
I'm gonna open a bottle of red wine for no occasion whatsoever, just because it's nice and chill.
Now we're here in the middle of nowhere, walking through the fields, and by the way the paths are really badly marked, so it's constantly looking on the map. It's rather pretty here though.
This was marked as a very dangerous road. Be aware, there might be a car or two.
A
car, yeah.
Very dangerous.
Super dangerous.
So a good 10 more k's to go. About 3 hours down and only about an hour to go. It's quite heavy walking because it's like high bush, but keeping the spirits high.
Yeah, I'm totally having like serious regrets on like booking the kayak for later today, because it's gonna feel like a freaking triathlon at that point. My feet are killing me.
Okay, so we are almost at the van. You can almost see it. So 17 kilometers and 4.5 hours later, we're so close. Woo. Hello.
A quick service break and then
Kayaking.
woo.
Can't feel my legs, but let's see how the kayaking goes. Luckily it's with the arms and the upper body.
I don't even know like what's wet and what's seawater, but I am soaking wet.
I made food. One of girlfriend's favorites. Salty crepes. with mushroom, ricotta and spinach. Some cheese on top.
Oh yeah, now we're gonna just chillax and drink wine and watch Friends. Until tomorrow.
See ya. Bye. Hey, good morning guys. So it's a bit of a rainy day. At least today, maybe the next 2 days. So probably just gonna hang out in the van, do some work, go to a cafeteria, have some schoolwork to do, some studying. So that's how the next few days are gonna go.
Can I just give a shout out? Wait. To this. Wait for it. Hey, come on. This. Oh, come on. This. It has some very inspirational quotes on it. Enjoy every moment. Home sweet home. And my favorite, live, love, laugh.
I felt so inspired buying this. Oh.
By the way, if you ever wonder how we, I don't know. If you ever wonder where we dry our clothes and everything that's wet, it's here. This is our bathroom. And yeah, remember I got my clothes wet yesterday while kayaking. Well, they're there, drying. The bathroom is actually very good, like, how would you say, a wet space?
A wet room.
A wet room, yeah. Because, you know, the weather changes and a lot of stuff gets wet. So you don't want it around here.
No, and it was a lifesaver when we went snowboarding, and we dried all the stuff in there. We put the snowboards, easy, put it out and it's out of your mind.
Oh shit, the weather's horrible.
It's horrible.
Oh, almost all the other like cars and vans have gone away, so I don't wonder. It's windy and rainy, it's awful. Hey, let's go to Aldi.
Yay, shopping.
We found a parking spot in a village next to where we just
The other
were.
village.
Yeah, exactly. And we are aiming to go explore a bit, but have to cook lunch first, because like we had a long shopping session in Aldi and that always gets exhausting. Arno is prepping some vegan schnitzels. I never learned to say schnitzel.
Schnitzel with
Schnitzel.
cornflakes.
Yeah,
Interesting.
hoping they're good. And I'm making salad. Such a good schnitzel. You guys, are you liking it?
I love it.
Ouch, I hit my head.
And it's vegan and it tastes very good. I'm surprised. We made it to the next town. It's another cute French village by the coast, and time to go explore it. Hello! Welcome to Slavic Kitchen.
Yeah, we came back from the village. It was nice.
It was very nice. We stopped at a brasserie and got some crepes, coffee, some coke, some internet, Wi-Fi. And now we're back eating again. I feel like we eat all the time because we eat like vegetarian and fish, so I feel like it burns through me like 2 hours, so I have to eat all the time.
Yeah, so you're cooking fish and vegetables, and we picked up
baguette and
baguette
croissant.
from a local boulangerie, and they were like,
super cheap.
yeah,
Less than €3, you get 2 croissants and a baguette.
I know,
Very nice.
so crazy. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna have a nice night, and I think that's where we're gonna leave you this time.
Ta-da!
Ciao! We're meeting someone very special. She's gonna travel with us for 2 weeks.
We booked the paragliding.
Keep running, keep running.